Mie Prefecture, where the Ise Shima Summit was held in 2016, has been called Ise from old times. It is assumed that tea cultivation in the Ise district began in the Heian period, 794 to 1185, where the high priests planted and grew tea leaves, passing down the processing method directly to their apprentices. Ise cha was often given as a tribute to the imperial court emperor from a temple of Ise during the Muromachi era of 1336 to 1573, and quickly flourished to become a special privilege among the monks of shrines and temples and the people of noble society. The Shinto priests of Ise Jingu, or Ise Grand Shrine, offered Ise-cha, an obi, or a sword knot, to people who sought oblation following each of the ceremony fees. The success of Matsusaka merchants helped spread out products such as Ise-cha and Ise cotton throughout the Edo era from 1603 to 1868. From the end of the Edo period to the beginning of the Meiji era, 1868, foreign exports were growing, and so were the tea plantation areas. The tea manufacturing method of the Ise-cha was devised early on and became the exemplar for other tea cultivation, acquiring mentorship nationwide. Marue is located in a most suitable environment for tea plantation in the highlands, approximately 1,800 feet above sea level, overlooking Ise Bay. In spring, it produces cherry blossom fragrances and is coated in a blanket of snow in the winter. A tea plantation of approximately 9,884 acres spreads out around Marue Company Limited. Constantly strives to provide high-quality green tea with higher precision based on the concept that safety and trust are our products. Our company is certified ISO 22000, FSSC, and organic certification. With this, we have found a new factory in compliance with Codex for better security of our products. The production line of processed tea can process 13,227 pounds per day, and also has a crushing system to produce sterilized and sanitized powdered green tea without using any chemicals. Ise-cha has 800 years of history and is in third place nationwide for the amount of tea production. Ise-cha boasts first place nationwide, producing 1,251 short tons, or 50% of the whole country's gyokuro and kabuse-cha, by covering them with a shading net. In addition, it also produces 614 short tons of other teas, again, putting it ahead of everywhere else in Japan. The cultivation method of covering with a shading net is what defines kabuse-cha, gyokuro. Amino acids and theanine, which are nutrients and taste components, are accumulated in the leaf so that it does not get affected by photosynthesis. Also, by covering the leaves, it can boost up the photosynthesis process even in the shade and increase the chlorophyll, making bright green leaves. The surface is thin and the tea leaf becomes soft by growing in the shade, which is what produces the sweetness of a mild taste and the bright greenness, differentiating itself from other teas. Raw materials of the powdered green tea are produced in many places for industrial use and are also widely used for confectionaries and other drinks for food industrial use. Researchers around the world are paying attention to the health benefits of green tea and green tea extracts. According to an experimental case at the Switzerland Basel University, the cooperation of the brain connected to the working memory had improved. Green tea also includes catechin and amino acid, flavonoid, and a variety of vitamins, which are all beneficial to the human body. Flavonoid and a variety of vitamins, which are all beneficial to the human body. It is also said that green tea can improve cancer and colds, cavity prevention, fair skin, the controlling of blood sugar level, and conserving energy expenditure. We hope you enjoy and appreciate Japanese tea culture and green tea.